Welcome to Cold Pine Hills. My name is Justin Fleurmont, and I had these accounts for quite a while now, and I just didn't do nothing with them. I was always waiting for like maybe the perfect phone, laptop, camera, time, and I just never got to it. And one of the quotes that really impacted me last year is that waiting for perfection is just another way to postpone progress. And 2026, I'm definitely not trying to do that. I'm not trying to postpone my goals. And so one of my goals is to start posting more content. And so at first I was thinking about just posting coding. That's the whole, hence, Code Pine Hills. But I didn't want to pigeonhole myself into one thing. I'm interested in multiple different things, and I want to talk about them. So, I want to talk about, coding, of course, AI, gaming, and then also soldering. But then, also want to talk about my health journey. I'm sick and tired of being a patat. My Haitians would know what I mean when I say that I'm Haitian. So, shout out to my Zos. But they know what it means. I don't want to be a patat no more. And so, yeah, I'm gonna focus. I'm talking a little bit about my workouts, habits, eating habits, what's been working for me, what has been working for me. And then also I want to talk about some of my other, random hobbies. I'm into 3D printing right now, wrapping cars. And then also I do quite a bit of traveling now, so I want to talk a little bit about that as well. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to see if these numbers actually change in the future. So we'll check back again December 31st, 2026. So in the meantime, if you want to follow along this journey, definitely hit the follow button, definitely hit the subscribes. And then yeah, I'm excited for 2026. I'm excited.